Welcome to the Secure Supplies Fuel for Jet Turbines page. On February 13, 1957, a third test flight saw everything go to plan with the engine running on hydrogen for 20 minutes. The pilots said the engine responded well to throttle changes and were pleased by how it performed. Not only did the B-57 test flights prove that hydrogen could power jet engines, more importantly, it also proved that the cryogenic fluid could be safely stored and pumped in an operational system. Despite the project's success, the tests ended as the Air Force no longer needed aircraft to fly at such a high altitude. Secure Supplies has acquired several H-2 and ammonia-fueled jets from Russia and Japan. We actively build, allocate, and source gas turbines and make fueling systems for them. If you feel that you have a valid application for water fuel technologies in jet turbines or a hybrid jet turbine fueling application, please contact Secure Supplies today.